guys. So I'm out here on one of our solar sites, and I love seeing this little fluffy fleece just blowing around in the wind. It's really cool from an ecological standpoint, because as these sheep are out here grazing about in the early spring, they're shedding off some of their fleece, and this little this stuff right here ends up getting used by the birds. Oh look, more baby lambs. These guys were born right out on site. Oh, look at that one. Can't be more than just a few days old.